Good day, learners! Magandang araw! This is Maestrang Filo, and today we will review biology. We will answer a total of 30 questions. Aren't you excited? Before that, please visit our channel if you still haven't watched our previous video about nouns. Also, kindly like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new video updates. Now, are you ready to take the quiz? Let's start! Number 1. Which organ in the human body pumps blood? A. Lungs. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Intestines. Correct! The answer is heart. Number 2. How many bones are there in the adult human body? A. 260. B. 315. C. 206. Or D. 195. Correct! The answer is 206. Number 3. A group of dog offspring is known as blank. A. Litter. B. Clowder. C. Pride. D. Troop. Correct! The answer is litter. Number 4. What is the largest cell in the human body? A. Sperm cell. B. Platelets. C. Ovum. D. Neurons. Correct! The largest cell in the human body is ovum. Number 5. It is the only organ able to regenerate itself completely. A. Lungs. B. Intestines. C. Heart. D. Liver. Correct! The answer is liver. Number 6. What is the first step in the digestion process? A. Egestion. B. Ingestion. C. Digestion. And D. Absorption. Correct! The first step in the digestion process is ingestion. Number 7. Who is credited for the invention of the microscope? A. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. B. Albert Einstein. C. Thomas Edison. Or D. Isaac Newton. Correct! The answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Number 8. Which of these organs is used for breathing? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Lungs. Or D. Intestines. Correct! The answer is lungs. It is the only part of the body that takes oxygen directly from the air. A. Cornea. B. Iris. C. Pupil. D. Lens. Correct! The only part of the body that takes oxygen directly from the air is cornea. Number 10. It can spend its entire life without drinking water. A. Whale. B. Dolphin. C. Rattlesnake. Or D. Kangaroo rat. Correct! The answer is kangaroo rat. Number 11. What is the largest mammal on Earth? A. Blue whale. B. Elephant. C. Rhinoceros. D. Polar bear. Correct! The largest mammal on Earth is blue whale. Number 12. What is the largest flower in the world? A. Amazon water lily. B. Talipot palm. C. Rafflesia arnoldii. Or D. Sunflower. Correct! The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia arnoldii. Number 13. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Incus. B. Malleus. C. Ossicles. Or D. Stapes. Correct! The answer is stapes. Number 14. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Skin. B. Pancreas. C. Brain. Or D. Spleen. Correct! The largest organ in the human body is skin. Number 15. Where is the fibula found? A. Arm. B. Shoulder. C. Leg. Or D. Torso. Correct! The answer is leg. Number 16. What is the largest frog in the world? A. Giant river frog. B. American bullfrog. C. Chilean giant frog. Or D. Goliath frog. Correct! The largest frog in the world is the Goliath frog. Number 17. What parts of our bodies carry messages from one part of the body to another? A. Muscles. B. Fat. C. Nerves. Or D. Blood. Correct! The answer is nerves. Number 18. What dozy treetop mammal can hold its breath underwater for 40 minutes? A. Koala. B. Sloth. C. Monkey. Or D. Anteater. Correct! The answer is sloth. Number 19. A single piece of coiled DNA is called A. Cytosine. B. Shoulder. C. Chromosome. Or D. Centromere. Correct! A single piece of coiled DNA is called chromosome. Number 20. What is the name of the tube that carries blood to the heart? A. Arteries. B. Apex. C. Aorta. Or D. Veins. Correct! The answer is veins. Number 21. It is a change in the DNA sequence of an organism that results in a new trait. A. Alteration. B. Transformation. C. Mutation. Or D. Stagnation. Correct! A change in a DNA sequence of an organism that results in a new trait is called mutation. Number 22. What is the longest cell in the human body? A. Nerve cell. B. Sperm cell. C. Platelets. Or D. Ovum. Correct! The answer is nerve cell. Number 23. What type of animal has a backbone? A. Invertebrate. B. carnivore, C. herbivore, or D. vertebrate? Correct! The type of animal that has a backbone is called vertebrate. Number 24. Which human body system breaks down food into nutrients? A. Reproductive system, B. Digestive system, C. Lymphatic system, or D. Respiratory system? Correct! The answer is digestive system. Number 25. What part of the human skeleton protects the brain? A. Calf bone, B. Rib cage, C. Skull, or D. Hip bone? Correct! The part of the human skeleton that protects the brain is called skull. Number 26. Which of the following is not a type of tooth? A. Canine, B. Molar, C. Premolar, or D. Molar? Correct! The answer is collar. Number 27. Which of the following organs is not used during digestion? A. Stomach, B. Lungs, C. Liver, or D. Small intestine? Correct! The answer is lungs. Number 28. What is the smallest unit of life? A. Molecule, B. Cell, C. Bacterium, or D. Element? Correct! The smallest unit of life is called cell. Number 29. Where is the mandible found? A. Collar, B. Skull, C. Jaw, or D. Leg? Correct! The answer is jaw. Number 30. It is the area of biology that is devoted to the study of fungi. A. Immunology, B. Taxonomy, C. Morphology, or D. Mycology? Correct! The area of biology that is devoted to the study of fungi is called mycology. What are your scores, kids? Did you get a perfect score? Excellent! Congratulations, learners! If not, you can always watch this video to continue practicing. Again, this is Maestrang Filo. See you on our next video. Bye!